Hello friends, myself Tia's Roy and welcome to Tia's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare mango-sago dessert. On a request of one of my special friend, I am doing this video for the group members of Purbo Paschim Bardhaman. So let's see the procedure. So these are the following ingredients which we are using here: soaked sago, almonds, little bit of food color, powder milk, liquid milk, ripe mango and sugar. If you wish, you can use the dust sugar also. Put the milk. We will wait until and unless it started boiling. You can hide the flame. Milk started boiling. Now put the sugar in it. Stir it continuously. On the other side, make a thick paste of powder milk. You can see I have already done this one. Now you have to put this paste in that liquid milk. Put the almonds. Stir it properly. Now put the sago inside the milk. Stir it continuously. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes until and unless the sago becomes transparent. We will boil it. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can see the milk became thick and the sagos are changing. You can see it is becoming transparent. We will wait up to 4 minutes. Now the sago is changing to a transparent. You can see over here. Now put the food color inside it. Just 3 to 4 drops. You can see the color has changed. Now the cooking process is over. I have switched off the gas. Now let it cool. After cooling, we will put the mango pulp inside it. Here I am having the mango pulp. I have made a thick paste. Now I will put this pulp inside the dessert. Be sure when you are putting the pulp, the dessert should be cool. I hope you all have enjoyed the recipe. Please try it at your home and send me the feedbacks in comment section. Do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.